Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 139. Put on your thinking cap. Challenging practice. Alright, so here we go. We have to fill in the missing numbers. Number 1. Something times 2. Remember, when we multiply these numbers, we want to multiply our ones first. So something over here times 2 gives me 8. Well, let's think about what I have to multiply by 2 to give me 8. So let's count by our 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, I got 8. And if I counted that, I should have gotten 4. So 4 times 2 gives me 8. And we're gonna check the entire problem. 2 times 2 gives me 4. So that's done. Number 2. So I need to multiply 7 times something gives me 8. Well, first, I want to write down my 7 multiples. And I want to make sure that I have something over here that can give me an 8 in the 1 spot. So over here, I'm going to write my 7 multiples right now. 7, 14, 21, oh, my 07, 28. And I'm going to stop at 28 because I have 8 in my ones column. So that's multiply 7 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. And I'm going to check that one right now. So if I put a 4 up here, let's make sure that makes sense. So 7 times 4 gives me, again, 28. So that'd be an 8 over here. I'm going to carry that, make 2 on the side. Sorry, 2 in the tens columns. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 more, 4, 5, 6, and I got 6 over here. So that's done as well. Alright, next problem. Number 3. So let's do this problem out. 1 times 3 is 3. Check. Multiply our tens. 3 times 3 is 9. Check. And now we have to multiply our hundreds. We need to get a 6 here. So if I count my 3's, that would be 3, 6. So that's 3 times 1, 3 times 2. So over here, I know my answer needs to be a 2. Let's do number 4. 121 times something gives me 5. Alright, so let's try that out right now. 1 times what number gives me 5? Well, I know that anything times 1 is the same exact number, so I know this has to be a 5. 1 times 5 gives me 5. 2 times 5, let's make sure this makes sense. 2 times 5 is 10, put a 0, carry the 1. And then 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 more is 6, 6 down there. Alright. Number 5. 308 times blank equals 616. Alright, so right now I know I need my 8 multiples. So here, I'm going to write my 8 multiples to figure out what can give me a 6 over there in the ones column. So my 8 multiples are 8, 16. I can stop right there because I have a 6 in my ones column. Let's make sure that makes sense now. Let's double check this. So that's 8 times 1, 8 times 2. Let's put a 2 over here. And now let's double check our answers. So 8 times 2 we know is 16. That means I have to regroup, carry the 1. 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 more is 1. 1. And 3 times 2 is 6, and that's right there over there. Okay. So I've done 5 for you. I want you to try to do 6, 7, 8 by yourself. Again, write down your multiples if you need it. It'll definitely help you out. These will get tougher, so try your best. And that would be page 139.